a giant grizzly, a fluffy panda, or maybe a majestic polar bear. The bear family, or Ursidae, is incredibly diverse, with species scattered all across the globe, each one perfectly adapted to its own unique corner of the world. From the icy plains of the Arctic to the lush bamboo forests of China, these magnificent animals have evolved in fascinating ways. Today, we're going on a global journey to meet some of the most incredible members of the bear family. We'll explore their habitats, uncover what they eat, and discover the special features that make each one so unique. So, get ready to dive into the wild world of bears. Let's get started. First up, we have one of the most widely recognized and distributed bears on the planet, the brown bear. You can find these impressive animals in a huge range of habitats, from dense forests and mountain meadows to the vast open tundra of North America, Europe, and Asia. This adaptability is largely thanks to their incredibly varied diet. Brown bears are true omnivores, meaning they'll eat just about anything they can find. In the spring, they might graze on grasses and sedges. Come summer, they'll feast on berries and roots. Of course, they're also famous for their fishing skills, expertly snatching salmon from rushing rivers. They'll also hunt small mammals and scavenge for carrion when the opportunity arises. One of the most telling features of a brown bear is its sheer size. They are among the largest land carnivores, and you can easily identify them by the prominent muscular hump on their shoulders. This hump powers their front legs, giving them incredible strength for digging up roots or turning over rocks. Their claws are another giveaway. They are long, straight, and non-retractable, perfect tools for digging and excavating. Depending on their location and diet, their fur can range from light cream to almost black, providing camouflage in their respective environments. From the mighty grizzly of North America to the Eurasian brown bear, this species is a true symbol of untamed wilderness. Now, let's travel from the forests and tundra to the frigid, icy landscapes of the far north. Here, in the Arctic Circle, we find the undisputed king of the ice, the polar bear. Unlike its brown-furred cousins, the polar bear is a hypercarnivore, meaning its diet consists almost entirely of meat. Its life is intricately tied to the sea ice, which it uses as a platform to hunt its primary prey, seals. Polar bears are masters of patience, often waiting for hours by a breathing hole in the ice for a seal to surface. Their diet is extremely high in fat, providing the necessary energy to survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Everything about the polar bear is designed for life in the cold. The hairs are transparent and hollow, which traps air for insulation and scatters light, making them appear white. This provides perfect camouflage against the snow and ice. Beneath that fur, they have a thick layer of blubber, sometimes over 4 inches thick, that acts as further insulation. Even their paws are adapted for the cold, with rough pads and non-retractable claws, providing excellent traction on slippery ice. Their large body size and small ears help to conserve heat, making them a masterpiece of Arctic evolution. The polar bear is a powerful testament to how life can thrive even in the most extreme conditions. Next, let's head back to the forests of North America to meet a familiar, yet often misunderstood resident, the American black bear. Despite their name, these bears aren't always black. Their coats can range from black to brown, cinnamon, and even a creamy white color in some rare populations. They are the most common and widespread bear species on the continent, found in a variety of forested habitats from Canada all the way down to Mexico. Like brown bears, American black bears are omnivores with a highly adaptable diet. They eat a lot of plant matter, including berries, nuts, and roots. But they're also opportunistic and will eat insects, fish, and small mammals if they can. This flexible diet is a key reason for their success across such a wide range. So, how can you tell a black bear from a brown bear? Black bears are generally smaller, with a more slender build. They lack the prominent shoulder hump that is so characteristic of brown bears. Their facial profile is also straighter, and their ears are taller and more pointed. Another great clue is their claws. American black bears are excellent climbers, and their claws are short, curved, and sharp, perfectly designed for gripping tree bark. It's not uncommon to see them scaling a tree to escape danger, find food, or even take a nap. They are incredibly intelligent and resourceful animals, a true fixture of the American wilderness. From the forests of North America, our journey now takes us to the misty mountains and bamboo forests of central China. Here lives one of the most beloved and iconic animals in the world, the giant panda. With its unmistakable black and white coat and endearing round face, the panda has captured hearts globally. But beyond its cute appearance lies a fascinating story of specialized evolution. While pandas are classified as bears and have the digestive system of a carnivore, their diet is overwhelmingly herbivorous. In fact, about 99% of what they eat is bamboo. This specialized diet means they have to consume a massive amount of it each day, sometimes up to 40 pounds, just to get enough nutrients. They spend most of their day, about 10 to 16 hours, just eating. To handle all that tough bamboo, pandas have developed some unique adaptations. They have powerful jaw muscles and large, flat molars for crushing the fibrous stalks. They also have a special thumb, which is actually a modified wrist bone that helps them grip bamboo stems while they eat. Their famous black and white fur pattern is thought to serve a dual purpose. The black patches on their ears and around their eyes might be for communication or to appear more intimidating, while the white body provides camouflage in snowy environments, and the black limbs help them hide in the shade. The giant panda is a true specialist, a beautiful example of a species that has carved out its own unique niche in the world. Our final stop takes us to the tropical grasslands and forests of India, Sri Lanka, and Nepal to meet a truly unique and somewhat bizarre-looking member of the bear family, the sloth bear. If you saw one, you might not even guess it's a bear at first glance. They have a long, shaggy black coat, a distinctive pale, V-shaped patch on their chest, and a long, light-colored muzzle. But it's their behavior and diet that really set them apart. Sloth bears are primarily insectivores, specializing in eating termites and ants. To get to their favorite food, they use their incredibly long, curved claws, which are even longer than a tiger's, to rip open termite mounds and rotting logs. Once they've broken in, they use their unique dental structure. They remissing their top two front teeth and long lower lip to form a sort of vacuum tube. They close their nostrils, pucker their lips, and suck the insects out with a loud slurping sound that can be heard from over 100 meters away. This feeding method is so unique among bears. While they primarily eat insects, they also enjoy fruits and honey, often climbing trees to raid beehives, apparently unfazed by the stings. Their shaggy fur and lanky build are perfectly suited for their warm climate. The sloth bear is a wonderful, quirky example of the incredible variety found within the bear family, proving that there's no single way to be a bear. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of some of the world's most amazing bears. We've seen the omnivorous and powerful brown bear, a master of many habitats. We've marveled at the polar bear, a perfectly adapted hunter of the Arctic ice. We've learned to distinguish the agile American black bear, an expert trickler. We've been charmed by the giant panda, a bamboo specialist from China. And we've been fascinated by the quirky, insect-eating sloth bear of South Asia. Each of these species, though related, has followed a unique evolutionary path, developing incredible adaptations that allow them to thrive in their specific environments. From their diets and physical features to their behaviors, the diversity within the bear family is truly astonishing. They remind us of the beautiful complexity of the natural world and the importance of protecting these magnificent animals and the habitats they call home. Thanks so much for joining me on this adventure. If you enjoyed learning about these incredible bears, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next journey into the wild. See you next time.